What size air brake hose do I need? If you are working on air brake systems for trucks and 18-wheelers, you might be wondering what size air brake hose you need. The size is important for ensuring your braking system works properly. Let's break it down. For most trucks, the two common sizes of air brake hoses are 3/8 inch and 1/2 inch inner diameter. The 3/8 inch hose is widely used in air brake systems. It is often found in brake chamber hose assemblies. This size can handle typical air brake system pressures up to around 150 pounds per square inch. Many mechanics prefer this size because it balances airflow capacity with flexibility and ease of installation. On the other hand, the 1/2 inch hose is also used in some systems. It can provide a higher volume of airflow, which may be beneficial in certain brake configurations or when the hose runs are longer. However, keep in mind that many brake fittings on trucks narrow down to 3/8 inch. So, even if you use a 1/2 inch hose, the connection points might still be 3/8 inch fittings. When it comes to length, brake chamber hoses are usually about 18 inches long. However, this can vary depending on the specific truck model and brake setup. It is always a good idea to measure the existing hose before purchasing a new one. Choosing the right hose size is essential. A smaller diameter hose, like 3/8 inch, will deliver less air volume over a given time compared to a larger diameter hose, like 1/2 inch. This can affect brake timing and responsiveness. Therefore, matching the hose size to the manufacturer's specifications is important. Air brake hoses must meet certain standards to ensure safety and reliability. Look for hoses that comply with Society of Automotive Engineers J140 and Department of Transportation Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standards 571.106. Also, pay attention to the hose ends or fittings. Many hoses have one swivel end and one fixed end. This design allows for movement and helps prevent twisting during operation. In practical terms, for most trucks and 18-wheelers, a 3/8 inch inner diameter air brake hose with 3/8 inch fittings is the standard choice for brake chamber connections. If you are replacing hoses, always check the existing hose size and fittings. Consult the vehicle or brake system manufacturer's guidelines to ensure compatibility and proper brake performance. Using the correct hose size ensures proper airflow, brake timing, and system safety. This is essential for the reliable operation of air brakes on heavy trucks.